Hey everybody, welcome back to Onyx Block. Today we're going to be talking about some of the biggest news that we've probably seen in the last year. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to be going over a couple of topics. We're going to be going over Gamestop, Wallstreetbets, and a few other things. So I'm going to spare you the actual story of Gamestop. I'm sure if you're here, you already know about it. It's obvious. But the whole thing, and I just want to get this across in my perspective, is now we've kind of realized that these hedge funds are completely manipulating the market. And they've been doing so for years, decades even. And it's blatant and it's constant and it needs to stop. And I think we're starting to wake up and realize that we're playing in a rigged game. None of it actually makes sense, and it's become evident with the Federal Reserve just pumping in money, blowing out people's shorts, and now we actually had a chance to basically stick it to these hedge funds, the same hedge funds that were bailed out in 2008, because of a bad bet that they made, regardless of the fundamentals of the stock. This is a free market. This is capitalism at its best. So you can't have socialism at the top, but capitalism for the rest of everyone else, right? This can't be a game where when you lose, you take away the ball and screw everyone over. This can't happen. So obviously, GameStop sitting at $318 USD. It is what it is. I don't think the stock is worth this much. It obviously isn't. Now, if I was GameStop and their CEO, I would definitely be raising capital at this point, and I would pivot. I would make my change and make GameStop a good company that will transition into the new world. We got to get onto the purpose of we're all working from home. We're all home now. So it's got to be that transition of how are we going to make this work? Outlet stores are going to die, but they can survive. So is GameStop dead after this? I don't think so. I think that they can definitely stay around if they try. Now keep in mind that this shines lights because we see Robinhood and all these other apps stopping trading and limiting what you can do. This wouldn't happen with a decentralized exchange, and that's where we're heading to. And I think the wool has been pulled over everyone's eyes, and now everyone's finally seeing that we need this. We need a decentralized exchange where nobody can call up the CEO of Bitcoin or the CEO of Ethereum and say, hey, stop trading because we're about to lose our hats. Well, that doesn't exist. These CEOs don't exist. They're assets, right? So there's a difference here in terms of what they can do and they can't. This is the true free market. And I truly believe XRP and Flare are going to be the backbone that this system is created on, with decentralized exchanges, with the quickness that they do it. I think we're going to be tokenizing assets. We're going to have stocks running 24/7. And I think that's definitely going to happen in the next 5 years. And I'm really, really excited for that fact. Now, in terms of Wallstreetbets, I've been following this subreddit for roughly a year and a half, 2 years. Great memes, great community. Are they alt-right like people are saying? Absolutely not. They're a Reddit community. Some people are bad, and that's gonna happen, but not everyone. Like a lot of these people, and Reddit itself is a left-leaning site, so to say that they're alt-right is ridiculous. But a lot of these people are just regular people that have put their money away and tried to save, made a little bit in the stock market after this pandemic, and now are looking to stick it to the man and call these hedges on their terrible bets. And they've been shorting the stock to the point where they've shorted past the stock reserves. How much stock is available? They shorted 20% past the total, so a total of 120%, which that's it, the exact same thing as a bank lending out money that they don't have, right? And that's the system that we live in today. That's why we need crypto. So again, this is a truly free market. It's going to be trading 24/7, 365. That's it. Okay, so part 3 is the SEC case with Ripple. Ripple clapped back, as you can see from the thumbnail. I went through Alex Cobb's live stream today, and he read through a good portion of it. I agree a lot with his sentiment and what he thinks. But the crux of the matter is that Ripple's clapped back to say that, XRP, one, it's not a security. The SEC didn't come at them previously to say, hey, you're doing something illegal, even though there was constant contact with the SEC. The Department of Justice has claimed that it's a currency. On top of everything, the SEC is running a node for Ripple. They're running a node for XRP. So to claim that it's a security is ridiculous. And I can see the argument that XRP that was sold is a security, because the XRP that was sold in investment rounds, sure, you might be able to argue on a very loose interpretation of the Howey test that that was an investment contract. You may be able to do that. But the problem is that Ripple has a lot of money behind them and a lot of lawyers behind them, and I don't think this is going to happen. It's clearly not going to happen, and especially with the response. I truly believe this is a big short moment. You know, Michael Burry making a bet. Everyone's saying that he's crazy. I really do believe that. Ready to put my bet and put my money where my mouth is for XRP. And I really think that XRP might pump even soon. So I just want to bring this all home for you guys. So Elon Musk is now sharing Bitcoin in his bio tag to 44 million Twitter followers. There are 2.8 million Wallstreetbets traders that have just decided that just found out that they're playing in a rigged system and have found Dogecoin and Bitcoin, out of all things Dogecoin. I know. Regardless, the fundamentals don't matter. The market is all about human emotion. None of this is about fundamentals right now. And that's fine. We're going to have these moments. At the end of the day, utility is going to win. I recognize that. But right now, if you put money into Dogecoin, you're a speculative trader and you might make money. You might lose money. But I'm not here to tell you which way to go. I know I put a little bit into Dogecoin before the pump, and then I promptly took it out. So judge me for what you will. I obviously don't have diamond hands for things that, it's Dogecoin. Come on, it's a meme. All right. So give me a break. There's a lot of talk as well on Telegram and other communities that people are going to be pumping XRP February 1st, 8:30 EST. I'm not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. I know that I'm going to be buying XRP on February 1st. And the reason why I'm buying it is because it is extremely undervalued for what its actual value is. And that is why I have been buying it. That's why I've been buying it all through the SEC lawsuit. That's why I was buying it all through the bear market. And I'm still buying. I'm going to be buying until my dollar cost average can't stay as low as it is because of the price amount. Like if XRP is $5, sure, I'm probably not going to buy as much. I'll probably still throw my paycheck in, but I do believe that XRP and Flare are going to be the cornerstone of future tokenized assets in the future. I truly believe the FX market is the actual target here. That's my bet, and that's what I'm going in on. So that it is what it is. In terms of closing, thanks everyone for your support for the channel. It's been growing great, so I appreciate that. Thanks. I'm glad for all the responses on the portfolio video. Just so you know, I'm also going to be starting a new series as well on top of that. So we're going to be doing both of them. But I'm going to be starting a trading account with Binance fresh, and we're going to trade whatever and see where we can go. I'm not a trader. I'm not going to ever give actual trading advice. I may do technical analysis on the channel, but I won't actually give advice to anything. But I will be starting a series so you can see me lose a bunch of money. So we'll see how that goes. I'm sure everyone will enjoy if I lose some money, so it's all right. Because of that, I am starting up a Discord channel. So go ahead and click on the Discord link below somewhere. I'll probably put it everywhere. Just go ahead and click on it. Come in, even if you're not trading, just come in to chat and give me channel suggestions, help promote the videos and everything else. I would like to start building a nice tight community of traders, people that can give advice, and we can kind of work together to maybe get some opportunities and catch some waves. But that's it, guys. January 29th. We're not even out of January and it's 2021. I can't believe it. So yeah, we buckle up. We're in for a bumpy ride. But that's it for me. Happy hodling.